So what are some things that you can do to make a student feel comfortable in your class? Well, when they come in, you can find out their name, you can check in to see if they have any injuries, and you can tell them what kind of props they'll need for the class, and then set them up into something like reclining Buddha pose, Supta Baddha Konasana, or taking the legs up the wall, Viparita Karani. And then throughout the class, checking in with them, maybe coming up to them personally, making sure that they're relaxed, and addressing them in class so that they know that you are paying attention to their practice. So using their name to encourage them and checking in to see if the adjustments are comfortable for them. When they finish the class, again, it's really nice to greet them as they're leaving and to ask them if they enjoyed themselves, and just to make sure that if there's anything that you needed to know, to check in with them. So that's how I connect with my students and make them feel warm and comfortable in a class. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Namaste.